Welcome back to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, today I'm back with yet another exciting recipe for you of the Masala Chai. Now this is a very unique recipe that whenever you go to the restaurants and order for special chai, they serve you this Masala Chai and they also charge you quite a bit. So what if you yourself make this delicious tasting healthy masala chai at home? And friends, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, so please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more exciting recipes. Let's get started with the masala chai. Now here are all the ingredients that you require to make this masala chai. And friends, please do watch the video till the end because I'm going to show you every technique to make the best masala chai and also going to give the health benefits of each and every ingredient that I'm using in this masala chai. First, here I have taken 4 tablespoons of fresh cardamom. Now cardamom has antioxidant and diuretic, helps in bad breath, helps to lower blood pressure and also helps in digestion. Now here I have 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds which combats bad breath, improve digestion and helps in pressure as well. Next I have here is 2 tablespoons of black pepper. This black pepper is a very good source of manganese which helps in bone health and helps in wound healing and also increases metabolism leading to weight loss. It also stimulates digestion and very good to cure cold and cough. I have here cinnamon. Now I have taken about 3 long sticks of cinnamon. Now cinnamon is very loaded with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, anti-diabetic and antimicrobial properties, antifungal also, helps in managing blood pressure. Now here I have dry ginger. It is also called as soont. In Konkani we call it soont and it facilitates in weight loss by improving digestion. Next I have here is a 1 tablespoon of cloves. They are full of antioxidant which helps to fight free radicals which damage our cells, can help reduce the risk of developing heart diseases and diabetes. Next here I have star anise. I have taken 1, a very good quality one. It has antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties and may fight stomach infections, antioxidants and also antiviral. Now next I have here is nutmeg. It not only boosts the skin health but also helps to relieve pain, smooth indigestion and helps to detoxify the body. Next I have here is mace. It helps to keep digestive system healthy and provides relief from constipation, bloating and gas related problems. But only thing you have to make sure that you use mace and do not use false mace. Now here I have 5 black cardamom. Now this helps to stimulate gastric and intestinal glands that promote digestion. And I have here last what we call the licorice, also called as mulati. In Goa we call it Gode Kodul. It has a sweet taste and as well as its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial properties and also very good for sore throat and skin. You may also add tulsi leaves and tulsi seeds, but since I did not have them, I am not using in this recipe right now. Now the second crucial step is roasting your spices to the perfect level. Now take a heavy bottom pan, heat it first. Okay, once it is nice and warm, then add your cardamom and dry roast them for about 10 seconds on completely low flame. Make sure all the time your flame is completely low. Then add your black cardamom, roast it for another 10 seconds. Now then next add cinnamon, cloves, fennel seeds, mace, star anise and roast these for another 10 seconds. Now you have also need to add them the particular sequence that I have shown, because the cardamom is added first because it takes a little longer time to turn aromatic. Now add your black pepper and roast another 5 seconds or so, because right now all the other spices are warm enough. If you over roast them, the spices will lose their nutritional value. Now just make pieces and add the dry ginger and the nutmeg. Also the licorice, just you make it into pieces. You may crush and use it and roast them. Licorice to be added always at the last stage. Now in case if you do not have the whole dry ginger, you may add the dry ginger powder after the roasting process is done. Now roast all these for just about 20 seconds more and it's done. Transfer them into a plate and let them cool completely. There has to be no heat to them at all. Now put them into your mixer jar and grind them coarsely. Some prefer to grind it to a fine powder, but I prefer to grind it coarsely. This is personal choice. I'm sure if you made this at home, you would just fall in love with this masala chai. It is not just for fancy that we have masala chai one day, but it has a lot of health benefits in consuming this masala chai, especially during these hard times when there are a lot of viral fever, cold. In the cold, it also heats up your body a little bit. In simple words, this masala helps to boost your immunity. You add into batches and make sure that you do not grind the spices all at one go. You have to grind them in pulses. You just start the mixer, run it for 10 seconds, turn off, then you start again, grind it for 10 seconds, and that's the way it is done. You can see that I have ground my masala completely coarse. I'll show you how to make these masala chai. There's a real good technique to make the best masala chai. Add the amount of water that you require. I'm making about 2 cups of tea. So I've added 1 cup of water and 1 cup of milk. Once the water comes to boiling, then I add the milk, I add the tea powder. If your masala is a bit warm, let it cool down before you bottle it. Now my tea has come to a boil. I'll stir it a little bit and brew it for another 2-3 minutes so it becomes nice and strong. I have not put too much of tea powder because I don't like very dark tea. So that's personal choice. Now here I am adding a piece of rock candy for sweetness. You may add sugar if you wish. Now the measurement to use your masala powder in your tea is, for 1 cup of tea, you use half teaspoon of masala. So if you are making 2 cups of tea, you are going to use 1 teaspoon of masala powder. My tea has brewed well. At this stage, I am going to add the masala powder, 1 teaspoon. Just add it, bring it to a boil and close your flame. Close the lid of your tea and let it rest for a minute or so. And then your masala chai is ready to be relished on a cold, windy day. Maybe it winters, rains, or any time when you drool for some warmth, some flavor. And here I'm relishing my masala chai with my homemade masala. Please do try this recipe at home and enjoy this health benefits of this chai masala. Sometimes I make this tea without milk, as I'm not very fond of milk. And once the water comes to a boil, I don't add the tea powder. I just put in 1 teaspoon of my masala powder and I bring it to a boil, close it and let it rest for 2-3 minutes, and I just have it with a piece of rock candy in it. And it tastes delicious either way. If you make it this way, then it is called as Kosai in Goa. if you make it without the tea powder and the milk, with just the masala chai powder, then in Goa it is called as Kosai, which helps in relieving common cold and cough, and it gives a lot of warmth to your body as well. So do try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your family and friends, and enjoy the health benefits of this. See you next week with yet another interesting and exciting recipe. Until then, keep watching Melita's Delicacies, try masala chai, and do let me know if you follow any other ingredients that you add, or you make this masala chai in a little different way. Thank you in advance for your feedback. God bless you. Thank you for watching.